Chicken tenders, which is also known as chicken fingers or chicken strips, is a popular finger food. It is spiced breaded crispy coating outside with juicy and moist chicken inside. This appetizer is favorite amongst kids and teens. Moreover, this is one of the highest selling food with beer and cocktails. Let's start making it. Cut chicken breast into medium to thin strips. Then let's brine it with red chilli powder, roasted cumin powder, black peppercorn, rock salt, and lemon. Mix it, then add water, cover it, and let it marinate for 45 minutes to 2 hours depending on how much time you have in refrigerator. This step ensures extra moisture and flavor penetrate in chicken, which in turn provide juicy and flavorsome results. Now let's prepare dredging flour. There is no exact amount, but make sure you have enough of it. I have initiated with 2 cups of all-purpose flour but end up of adding half cup flour more in 250 grams of chicken. Now add coarse black pepper powder, red chili powder, garlic powder, onion salt, rock salt into all-purpose flour. Mix everything well. If you don't have onion salt or garlic powder, use any other store-bought seasoning, about 1.5 tablespoons. Let's make the batter. In a bowl, add all-purpose flour or maida, dried garlic, or you can use fresh instead, black pepper powder, rock salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, red chili powder, onion salt, egg. Then add club soda little bit at a time to make a thick batter. I have used about less than half of mini can. Make sure your batter is thick enough, as some amount of water will be adding once you will put in your brine chicken. Then add chicken pieces into it and discard brine. Now coat chicken in batter. My batter got little too runny, so I have added some cornstarch. But if your batter is thick enough, avoid this step. Once coated well, take it out one by one, breaded battered chicken, and place it on dredging flour separately so that every piece has enough room to coat dry flour evenly, covering all battered coating. This step is a bit messy, so change dry flour plate and gloves in between to avoid it. Coat each piece nicely and put it on a separate plate. In between, heat up oil at 350 degree Fahrenheit or until medium hot. Once oil is hot, add chicken pieces. Shake off any excess dry flour before adding it in your pan. One by one, do not overcrowd your kadhai or pan. Do not stir until frothy rapid bubbles settle down to clear bubbles. Then turn and toss it from both sides to make sure it is golden brown from both sides. The other indication of cooked chicken is when it is done, it starts floating on the surface. Cook your chicken in couple of batches. For extra crispy chicken tenders or later use, Fry it second time on high heat, about 400 degree Fahrenheit to 425 degree Fahrenheit for few seconds. Then take it out on a drying rack for a crispier result. You can enjoy these with honey mustard, teriyaki, barbecue sauce, sweet chili sauce, or with simply mayo or ketchup. You can toss it in buffalo hot sauce or chili sauce if you are one of my kind who simply loves spicy food. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you soon in next video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn. Bye bye, take care.